So hello.
हेलो
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
किक-एस हमने बहुत अमेजिंग गाना बनाया है हमने है
मेहंदिरात.
मेहंदिरात यार
What does mehendiraat mean
You tell
exactly?
me.
मेहंदिरात.
Now you should tell me. Now you are half Kashmiri.
Yeah, मैंने तो वो टोपी भी पहनी थी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. I really want to know. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं जान लिया था बट मैं टाइम टू टाइम मैं भूलता रहता हूँ.
हमारी वेडिंग्स के पहले एक फंक्शन होता है जैसे संगीत होता है in everyone else we don't have a संगीत. We have mehendiraat in which there's a lot of folk singers that come and there's a lot of dance. There's this particular dance in Kashmir which is called Bachnagma, which is like this folk dance. Bachkot dance karta. There's a man who dresses as a woman and in full aplomb and like heavy beautiful outfits and he'll be wearing a ghungru and then towards the end like mehendiraat lasts all night by the way.
What?
Yeah, it's an all night thing. Nobody sleeps that night including the bride.
After party scenes.
Yeah.